let's see rear wheel drive first gear. You can see the marks, bro. Oh my gosh. Like and subscribe to the limits. We're looking good on the camera. We got a G99. That's all. So my boy lent me his G99. Let's hear it. Big boy V8. It does sound tainted, right? But this is probably my favorite new BMW, and we're gonna go for a drive right now. This is our mode, Sport Plus, basically everything except steering and comfort, of course. Right now we're in 4-wheel drive sport, which should be a little bit saucy. We'll find out. Definitely a little bit saucy. This thing is supposed to be stupid fast. 700 and oh, wow. Wow. Bro, you know what it kind of feels like? You feel like a little dog jumping off, or like a bunny hop. That's what it feel like a rabbit bunny hop or something. This is definitely my new favorite BMW. It is stupid fast, luxurious as heck. I love the interior. Wanna go sideways, even in 4-wheel drive sport. No way they're going on my little track. They are. I don't ever see people come around here, bro. It's where we took that, some of the other cars that we done POVs on. Alright, there's nobody behind me. Let's do a little launch. Just a little launch. This thing is nice, bro. And it actually grips. It grips and boogies. Tire change recognized. Okay. So this is now rear wheel drive. I mean, rear wheel drive actually, oh, it looked like it did leave marks though. Ooh, rear wheel drive felt like it wanted to spin up right there. Nobody coming. Alright, let's see rear wheel drive first gear. What? No way. That's rear wheel drive? It's gripping. Let me see something. Little burbles. I'll pull over right here. This. Let's see what happens if we try to like take off in rear wheel drive. I'm expecting it to spin up, but apparently it's not gonna. Oh, there's another bump. Let's go past that other bump. It's spinning up because I can see the marks of the tires, but it's like it's gripping at the same time. because I know this thing should shred the tires. Let's see, yeah. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Just floor it. I mean, it definitely left marks. But it's nothing like what I was expecting regarding rear-wheel drive mode, like being undrivable. You know what I'm saying? Rear-wheel drive mode is definitely drivable. I thought it wouldn't be. Is basically what I'm saying. Is there a car coming? Because there was a car behind me. Oh yeah, there it is. You see, it's like it left marks, but it's actually just taking off at the same time. Big difference though, because when it's in rear wheel you can feel it a little bit playing, but in all wheel it doesn't play at all. G90, man. I like it. I love it. One more launch. Why not? Now you can see the power. Oh my gosh, wait. Car itself feels absolutely amazing. Let's take it through this corner. Wow. 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 Let's make a U-turn. I filled it up for my boy, but now it would definitely spin because now the tires are graveled up, but they were cars. You can see the marks, bro. Oh my gosh. But if I get all wheel, holy shit, definitely my favorite M car. Anybody that says this is slower than an F90 is a liar, and I love the F90 M5. I might actually buy a F90 M5 soon. You know what I'm saying? I got the place now, so it's time to get a car. So I might actually get an F90 soon. I can hear the burbles. Oh my gosh, it's stupid fast though. I can hear the burbles, bro. What if you're doing like a road race? Does it allow you to brake boost? I doubt it, because these modern BMWs that have electric doesn't like when you're on the brake and gas. I was wrong, it does allow you to brake boost. Oh my gosh. All this thing needs is exhaust to open it up so you can hear it more, and probably intakes because I can hear the sucking. So an intake, oh my gosh, and an exhaust, it really doesn't need any more power, but knowing me, I would probably, ooh, it's so agile, bro. Oh my gosh, this thing turns like crazy. It's for such a big car, bro. Anybody complain about the weight of this thing doesn't need to, bro. It really doesn't need to. Well, I'm used to bigger cars like the Cat, right? But this is a different level of big, because this is even heavier than a Hellcat. And people call Hellcat boats. And this is bigger than a boat. Or heavier than a boat. If you get what I'm saying. 1 second. Yes, I am. M5, I am. Amazing car, bro. Definitely an amazing car. Whoa. What's going on down here with the tracks and shit? Train? Alright. We'll take the long way. Oh, it's the long train. Gosh darn it. Then we probably don't got a way out if it's a long train. Well, while I'm waiting, definitely an amazing car. I definitely like it. It is probably my favorite new modern BMW that they're currently making. Yeah, and trust me, I've seen a lot of BMWs. I'm with a lot of BMWs on the daily, but when I get the opportunity to drive the ones that I'm able to push, I enjoy it even more, just because I'm able to push it. The ones that I'm with all the time, I can't push, you know what I'm saying, for legal reasons. I don't want to get fired. But the ones that I am able to push, I love them. And bro, this thing is absolutely amazing. I see one of these in my future, probably after the F90, then G90. But yeah, I see one of these in my future for sure. It's one of those cars that I've actually became a dream car after driving it. You know what I'm saying? I always liked the way it looked from it was being announced. I liked it. Done deal, I liked it. But driving it makes it 10 times better. It's amazing to drive. I love the way it drives. It feels amazing. The rear wheel drive, that's it. Yeah, the rear wheel drive is not as intimidating as I thought it would be. I thought it would just spin like crazy first, second, third, fourth, but it actually gripped pretty good in every gear. So I took off. Not one time did it turn fully sideways on me. Thank you. Not one time did it turn fully sideways on me, unless I wanted it to when I was making the U-turn type beat. But yeah, absolutely amazing car. Love the way it drives. I would definitely recommend a G90 if you're in the market for one, and if you can afford it, hell yeah. It's just, I don't like the depreciation on BMWs because it's gonna depreciate. But if you don't care for the depreciation, if it doesn't bother you, definitely get a G90. They're amazing cars. It drives amazing, handles amazing, fast as shit. So yeah, definitely recommend it. I will definitely have one in my future. Stops good too. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hey man, it's almost time for Church and Cars. Church and Cars, June 21st. Let me bring this back to my boy. I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.